Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. This is my YouTube channel. You can subscribe. Today I have received a new update of Android 9P 1UE on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. This phone is here. It's so beautiful. A new update is available. And I want to show you how to update your phone with his firmware. Okay, let's go. On this YouTube channel, under this video link is here, you can go and download your firmware here. This is some mobile, and your firmware is here for you. You need to create an account, join before, and click on firmware to enter here under your model number. And you can see all of this. Okay, go back. When you enter your firmware, you can access here, and you can see, for example, a new data on April 4th. Good. Now I have downloaded this file, and this file is here. I have extract this here on this folder. If you are doing the same action, you are done with the same action, you can delete this file and you obtain this. Under this video, there is another link to open Odin Free. Odin Free is here. Odin Free. Under this video, the link is here to download this software to install your beautiful firmware on your phone. Okay, get ready. Okay, now come on your mobile and put your phone on download mode. Okay, I recommend you to remove all security. Okay, remove all security. Okay, lock screen. Do this. Enter your pin. That means to do this. Okay, when you come here, no security, and remove data. Make sure you are save your data also. Okay, wonderful, beautiful. This is my second YouTube channel. You can also subscribe. Alright, now when you do this, power off, make sure that you have charge your phone also. Before doing power off, let me to see the information about the level of security of this beautiful update, this beautiful system. Look at this here, February 1st, 2019. You can see this here. Okay. Now, turn off your phone, power off. Okay, now, to access to TWIP, you need to hold free touch BSB button, or BSB button volume down, yeah, and power button at the same time. Like that, free touch BSB button volume down and power button at the same time to access to download mode. When you come here, look at on your screen, volume up to continue. Click on volume up. Make sure that okay, this is good, no problem here. It's good. Now connect your beautiful phone to your PC. We using is beautiful cable like that. This is USB-C. Now connect your phone, turn your phone to your PC, and you will see a change here. Let's do it. Okay, as you see, all of this field, okay, all of this field that I installed on my firmware is connected to Odin Free. Odin Free is under this door. You click on BL to open your BL folder here, and you click on AP to open also AP here, and you click on CP to open all of this. I have done this on the previous video. This is here. Now wait a few minutes. It's working. After this, you will click on start under get ready. Okay, no answer for a moment. Get ready. Okay, as you see, it's done. Now you can click on start under to start this installation. Don't disconnect the beautiful devices, and make sure that you are connect your beautiful PC charger or laptop charger, and get ready. It's connected here, and the process also starts here. Wait a few minutes for the installation of this system. Okay, wait with me. Okay, almost finished. As you see, look at that. Your phone will reboot on a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and good. Look at that. And the installation started. Wow. Come here. Your phone will reboot many times. Don't worry, it's normal. Wait. As you see the LED appear here, the installation started. You can disconnect the beautiful USB-C, and wait for the installation. And as you see on your PC, you can see pass. Now close this application and get ready. The installation will continue. Wait a few minutes. Okay, as you see, it's good. It's good. Now you can see the installation started. Don't worry, it's normal. Wait a few minutes. Okay, and welcome. Now you can configure your beautiful device. Okay, all of this. Look at that. You can choose change primary. Okay, go back. What I can do? Reset and restart. Click on okay, wonderful. Restart. Okay, please wait. Okay, wonderful. Okay, Samsung. Okay, okay, welcome back. Get ready. Installing. Okay, get ready. Okay, wonderful. Okay, let me to configure my beautiful system. You can choose your language here, and let's do it. Okay, as you see, it's done. Welcome on your beautiful phone and get ready. Okay, look at the security match first. Don't forget to subscribe for my next video.